children. Today for our art lesson I'm going to show you how to make a paper dog. To make a paper dog we need certain materials. So we need certain things. You need a pair of scissors and a glue stick and some 2D shapes. So some 2D shapes, we need a piece of rectangle like this, a squared piece, and 2 triangles and 4 thin strips of paper. It's more or less like a rectangle, thin strips of paper, 4 of this for the legs, and a thin strip of paper to make a collar for the paper dog. So let me show you first. So this rectangular piece of paper, just place it on a flat surface like this, and then the square paper like this you have to cut and just glue it a little bit. Just glue it on the back and glue it on one side of the rectangle. So this is the main body of the paper dog, and this is the head. The square piece is going to be the head. So make sure that you just a little bit adjust it so that the head can be glued properly. And next is the floppy ears. Now the 2 triangular floppy ears I'm going to glue on either side of the head. So the floppy ears goes like this, one this side and the other one goes maybe this side. I have to put. The reason why I'm wearing the glove is because I every now and then keep touching the glue. So I thought that I can wear a glue, but you don't need to wear a glove because it's going to be hard for you. Okay, now so the floppy ears are done, the head is done for the paper dog, and the body is done. And the next one is the leg. So the paper dog has to have 4 legs. So I'm going to glue one on this side and the other one little bit away from the first one. So like this. And the other 2 are going to be on the other extreme end. So one is going to be here and the last one is going to be coming up here. Now as you can see, we have almost done the paper dog. All that the paper dog need is a collar. So a collar is the one that goes along the neck. So the collar goes here. That's done almost. Only the last thing to do is to draw 2 circled eyes and 1 triangular mouth. So your paper dog is already ready. Thank you, children.